Hey guys, it's me. And it is a rainy day outside today. And honestly, there's something peaceful about that. Even when the thunder is loud or when the sky feels heavy, even when the world outside just seems a little rattled. Rain has a way of slowing things down. It can be calm, it can feel melancholy, but sometimes that's not a bad thing. Sometimes the quiet gray days give you room to breathe, room to think, room to catch up with yourself. So, take a breath. Listen to the rain for a second. Let the noise pass. And let's keep moving forward. You guys have a good rest of your day.